Bonjour, on se retrouve pour la suite de nos aventures sur Baldur's Gate 3. Dans la peau de Atarashi, un roublard de niveau 3. Hop, on va visiter cette porte. Ok. Ah, ok, on avance. Alors, on va visiter un peu la grotte. Évidemment, ah bah tiens, on va lire ça. Voilà, je vous laisse mettre la pause pour lire le document. Ok.
Of course.
Allez, on va lire ça. Voilà. Ah,
If this map is accurate, we are in Eltergard. Baldur's Gate is some ways still.
Gnolls and goblins marked on the map. Travel won't be easy.
je vous laisse donc mettre les pauses si vous voulez lire les documents que j'ouvre. Hop, ben. Je reviendrai discuter avec eux après avoir visité l'endroit. Alors là, ça je peux le prendre, enfin fouiller ce qu'il y a dedans. Hop, hop, voilà. Donc, comme c'est gris, ça veut dire que je peux prendre. Rouge, je ne peux pas. Ok, alors, je vais envoyer ça au campement. Hop, on va monter voir ce qui se passe là-haut. Il y a un sac à dos. Eh ben, on va visiter le sac à dos. Enfin, on va fouiller le sac à dos. Envoyer au camp. Voilà. Ça, je le ramasse. À qui vais-je le donner? Toi. Voilà, comme ça, ce sac à dos sert un petit peu de fourre-tout. Voilà. Ouais, je vais faire ça. C'est quoi ici? Mes flèches, ok. Là, je vais mettre mes objets de quête. Voilà. Range par type. Non, c'est pas ça, c'est ça. Voilà, j'ai changé de stratégie. Je vais ranger tout ce que je conserve dans les sacs, les bourses. Et tout ce que je ne conserverai pas sera laissé ici en libre service et je n'aurai qu'à les jeter. Voilà. Voilà. Au moins ça fait... Alors ça, je sais que je peux pas le ranger dans le sac. Pour une raison ou pour une autre, je peux mettre dans aucun sac. Et ça, c'est un sac de provisions. Voilà, hop, on va parler avec
I used to
madame.
think the goblins would kill us the second we set foot outside. But after hearing what you did at the gate, well, I still think they'll kill us. But at least we can put up a fight. We're tougher than we look. We've survived persecution, survived Avernus. Who knows? Some of us might even make it to Baldur's Gate.
Hmm.
There's optimism, and then there's stupid, hun. Plenty of us fell to monsters already. I don't see the rest of us lasting long out there. But if you're so sure we will, why not put a little gold on the line?
Allez, pari
Excellent.
tenu.
And since I ain't one to leave a debt unpaid, that means we're destined to meet in Baldur's Gate. Looking forward to it. So many ways to die.
Alors, est-ce que il y a des choses à prendre dessus? Non, a priori, il n'y a rien. Ah, ça, c'est la trappe pour descendre. Alors, on va désassembler tout le monde et je vais me balader un petit peu. Il y a la dent rocheuse qui me dit... Ah bah... Qui me dit que je peux venir là. Quoi ça? Oh. Ok. Bon, je vais d'abord m'occuper du coffre. Enfin... Eh ben... On va tout prendre. Voilà. Il y a l'air d'avoir eu un massacre là. Bon. Là-bas aussi, on voit. Là, il y a une grotte. Ah. Là, il y a du sang. Il y aura des herbes à récupérer. Ok. Je suis là. Est-ce que... Non, il n'y a plus rien à faire. Je peux pas aller plus loin par là. Bon. Eh ben, on revient là. Ok. C'est le coffre vide. Je descends. Ouais, bon, c'est pas grave. Il n'y a rien. Allez hop. On refait équipe et on redescend. Allez. On va papoter.
You're the one who helped at the gate. Glad to have another sword. We might need it.
Ah bah dis donc.
Have you spoken to Korga? Of course, you have your own business to attend to. But if the druids won't abandon this ritual of theirs, it will be trouble. For all of us.
Ok, il faut que j'aille parler à Kaga avant. Ah. On va aller parler à Kaga, hein, puisqu'il faut aller lui parler. Ok. Ah. Ok. Viens ici.
Good work, kids. You're
Ah,
all
il y a
heroes.
Will.
Each and every one of you.
Allons lui parler à ce monsieur.
Go on. Give me a best shot. Not bad. Again.
I can't do it. I'm not like you.
Umi, I don't need you to be like me. You just have to buy enough time to run. Come on. I believe in you. You can do this.
C'est normal qu'un gamin veuille s'identifier à un super-héros, quelqu'un de super fort ou autre. Mais évidemment, en tant qu'enfant, il n'a pas la force nécessaire pour être comme ce personnage qu'il idolâtre. Par contre, lui, il aurait pu éviter de le taquiner avec ce petit coup d'épée dans l'arrière-train après l'avoir passé. C'est un peu humiliant pour l'enfant, je trouve. Mais bon.
You're on the right path, Umi. Go on now. Practice what you've learned. Well met. The blade of frontiers at your...
The man's smile bends downward, and his thoughts become yours. You are the blade of frontiers racing through the wastes of Avernus. Just ahead, a diabolical figure, red skin, single curled horn, blazes with flame, bloodied great axe held high.
Hell's great fires. You were on the ship. Doomed to shed our skin and become a lithid, or so the stories go. But we haven't sprouted any tentacles. Not yet, anyway. Could just be good luck. I'm not so...
Your minds collide once more. Will chases the fiend ignited with rancor. She is an infernal war devil. A threat to the living. Evil incarnate.
Shit! You saw her. Advocatus Diaboli.
Advocatus Diaboli. A devil's advocate. A champion in the blood war between diabolical forces and demons.
Celle-là, j'aime bien.
I'm no stranger to the infernal. Better to slay a devil before her fires burn common folk to ash. Her name is Karlach, an archdevil soldier I swore on my good eye to kill. I tracked her through the hells to the Mindflayer ship, but the damned Illithids infected me before I could end her. She's out there now, preying on the innocent. I don't kill her, she'll leave behind nothing but a trail of corpses.
Bon, allez. Moi, c'est me soigner qui me compte.
Just so you know, my first duty is Karlach. I'm oath-bound to go after her. But I won't deny this infection is bothersome. I accept your invitation. Sorry, but there's no room for me.
Voilà, on se retrouvera au campement. Allez,
We'll talk more there.
salut, à la prochaine au campement.
Again.
Zoru, ça me dit quelque chose. Et probablement le... Ah oui, si, c'est lui qu'il faut qu'on parle pour retrouver les copains de Miss Grenouille.
By Mordai's eyes, another one. My friend's blood not enough. Come to rip me open too.
In Kresh Kalir, a formal greeting begins with a bow.
Is this monster with you?
You dare interrupt? Has the tadpole ravaged your senses?
Oh,
Kichoki. Fine.
On the road to Baldur's Gate, near the mountain pass. Saw us, for we saw it. Jammed its blade through Yul's belly, straight to the other side. And I just ran.
The map. Show me. Yes. Your mediocre interrogation technique notwithstanding.
elle m'agace légèrement la demoiselle. Ah, un libre. Oh, alors on va envoyer ça au camp. Bon, il faut lui parler.
The last time a subordinate questioned my judgment, I ate tongue stew that very night.
I warned you, didn't I? You ought to reconsider keeping her around before she causes real trouble.
Kenyank, your tantrum proves you no wiser than a hatchling. The Tiefling was clear. If there are a Githyanki west of here, that must be our objective. Purification cannot wait. I am unfamiliar with the... well, I shall not say culture. Custom, perhaps. You will educate me on matters of this... Fey run.
Ouais, elle m'énerve. Donc, je vais... dès que je pourrai changer ce personnage. Oh. Allez, allez, allez.
He stares right past you, as if you're invisible. Or boring. You see nothing out of the ordinary. As you turn back, the child slips between the rocks.
Allez. Avec un petit peu de chance, ça devrait passer. Oui, ça passe.
You find the edges of a concealed entrance.
Alors, yes, on pourra passer par là. Ah, on va prendre ça. Alors, on va crocheter ça. Allez, hop. Non, donc là, vous voyez, j'ai appuyé sur la touche mage et ça me permet de voir le champ de vision des gens. Alors. Ça, c'est pour personnaliser mes personnages. Oui, personnaliser les personnages, mais pour personnaliser les tenues, les couleurs. Donc, j'envoie ça au camp. Allez. Oh.
Hold out your hand, lady. Let me show you something. Go on. Take this ring. It's lucky. I never learned names or anything. Just the tricks. Anyway, forget that. Take the ring. I want to show you how lucky it is.
Alors. Allez, on y va. Voilà. Sauf si je fais un. Ça passait. Il fallait faire un échec critique pour rater, donc.
Weeping, bleeding hells! Okay, maybe you don't need extra luck. But since you're already holding the thing, call it. Heads or tails?
Ouais.
Heads it is. See? That's the kind of luck you get from one of my lucky rings. I've got more where that came from. Real cheap too. Interested? I don't know what you mean. Hey, that hurts. I'm running an honest... okay, what's a tinker's trash? Uh-huh. Huh. Interesting. And I promise, this isn't a tinker's trash scam. I knew it. Hang on. That's what I got.
Ah, j'ai raté mon jet de perception. manière, ça c'est à vendre, ça c'est à vendre. C'est quoi ce sont des teintures, ok, ça m'intéresse pas. Ok.
Nothing cool.
You suddenly feel something moving against your back and turn.
Allez, on va tenter ça.
You notice she's trembling. The tears streaming down her cheeks are indeed real.
I can't do this anymore, Mattis. I'm sorry.
Bon, bah, au moins ça c'est fait. Voilà, comme ça j'ai plein de sous. C'est bien. Oh. Ok, là il y a un trou, on peut pas passer. Ouais, j'ai encore un peu de temps avant la fin de l'épisode, donc on va descendre et voir les gens qui râlent.
It is forbidden. Let my daughter go right now! She's a thief, Hellspawn, and you will wait for Korga's judgment. Now get back! Oh, let me through, Mragrasham, or I'll rip your damn throat out!
Ah.
Damn it! We need to get Arabella out now.
You heard the guards. They're waiting on Korga to give word.
I'd sooner trek through the 9 hells than trust that snake. Ugh.
Arabella tried to steal their idol. Druids lost their damn minds about it. They need it for their precious ritual.
Oh, it's all my fault. I told her I wished the wretched thing would just disappear, or better yet, explode.
Now Arabella's being judged by a bunch of druids who hate us. That's not right.
She was caught. Foolish child. Let them judge her.
Il n'y a aucune réponse qui me convienne. Ça serait un mélange entre la 1 et la 4. Mais j'aurais plutôt tendance à partir sur la 1.
Thank you. They won't give us the time of day.
Hurry! I'm at the end of my tether as is. Can't take this waiting.
Try grease some palms.
And you'll have blood on your
This
hands.
thing's over.
Lives are at stake, and the cowards only care about their bloody rituals.
Those dirt kissers would let us die for the sake of their bloody grove.
Alors là, tout ce que vous racontez, si vous étiez dans les positions inverses, vous feriez la même chose.
We could help each other. Fight the goblins together. Instead, these fools are trying to chase us away.
Alors elle est plus mesurée dans le sens où part du principe que l'union fait la force. Enfin bref.
Carl Magrin, give her a chance. You, get back! Keep back! Force my hand and I'll show you its claws.
A moment, Giona.
What? Oh, I understand. You. Apparently Korga wants to see you. Go ahead.
Je me demande comment ça se passerait si on forçait le passage. On serait obligé de se battre contre tout le bosquet? Enfin. Bon, c'est presque la fin de l'épisode.
Ah, my good friend.
Donc on va parler avec lui.
Just now, no? When the goblins came, you saw them up close? A few questions, if you please. There's no overstating my interest.
Allez, tiens. On va jouer avec lui.
Now then, how would you describe that particular batch of goblins? Size, nature, distinguishing qualities?
You search your mind, successfully recalling various details of goblin behavior.
Bon, bah allez.
Aye, a scholar after my own heart. Spent much time among goblins? Shocking little creatures, aren't they? Still, there's quite a bit more to them than most accounts allow. I myself plan to record the world's most extensive catalogue of their means and habits. A blue ocean of information, I dare say. Now, I've a few more questions, if you don't mind. And the dragon they had marching in the rear, was it of the brass or silver variety?
Effectivement, il n'y avait pas de dragon, mais dans la lunette, on a vu qu'il y avait un dragon. Donc, allez, comme je connais un petit peu le dialogue, je rentre dans son jeu.
Witness mistook obvious silver dragon for brass. Last question, then you'll be quite free. Did the attackers rally to the Absolute when they fell upon the gates? They did, didn't they? Oh, curious. Oh, curious indeed. I've interrogated one, a captive in this very camp. She reports they've abandoned their god Maglabiet in favor of someone called the Absolute. The scandal! Ah, but is superstition all? These goblins are informed by a kind of strategy anathema to their kind. I, for one, intend to get to the bottom of it. I'm just preparing to head to their camp as we speak, in fact. If you'll excuse me, I ought not to door roll. Why, goblins, obviously. Well, someone ought to chronicle these curious events. I'd heard the master of this place, a druid called Halsin, might be able to point me in the right direction. But he's been quite captured by them already. Ironic, really.
Oh, never you mind. Who needs mercy when you've a quick tongue, hmm? And an invisibility potion stashed in your back pocket.
Until we meet again.
Ok, merci. Ah. Voilà. Et on va s'arrêter là pour cet épisode et on se retrouvera pour la prochaine fois. Donc, je vous dis au revoir, bonne fin de journée et à la prochaine.